Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate a Verizon eSIM on your iPhone 16, follow these step-by-step instructions to set up your digital SIM card and start using cellular service. Step 1. Ensure your iPhone 16 is connected to Wi-Fi. Open the Settings app on your device and tap on Cellular to access cellular settings. Step 2. Tap Add Cellular Plan or Add eSIM to begin the activation process. Your iPhone will display options for setting up a new line. Step 3. If you have a QR code from Verizon, tap Use QR code and scan the code provided by Verizon using your iPhone's camera. Alternatively, you can enter details manually. Step 4. If you're transferring from another iPhone, select Transfer from Nearby iPhone and follow the prompts to move your eSIM to the new device. Step 5. For a new line, contact Verizon customer support or use the My Verizon app to request eSIM activation. They will provide you with the necessary QR code or activation details. Step 6. Once the eSIM is detected, tap Add Cellular Plan and wait for Verizon to activate your service. This process usually takes a few minutes. Step 7. Label your cellular plan if you have multiple lines, such as personal or business, to help distinguish between them in your settings. Step 8. Test your connection by making a phone call or sending a text message to confirm that your Verizon eSIM is active and working properly on your iPhone 16. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.